So hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys natural remedy that you can use to get smooth and baby glowing skin. Okay, so we're going to be using 4 different ingredients. Yeah, I'm sure you can see just 3 right now. The fourth ingredient will be displayed during the course of the video, so keep on watching to know what that fourth secret ingredient is, and also recommendation and dosage of ad marks should be used will be at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video to the very end to know how to use it correctly and to see immediate and effective results. Okay, so let's make this face mask for your face to get glowing skin. So guys, first things first, we'll be using your turmeric powder. As you can see, I'll be using 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is very good for the skin. It helps to give you that glow that you never expect. Yeah, we have the extra virgin olive oil, so I'm using this also. 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2. And we just want to mix together to get an even mixture. So you just mix well. So we've gotten an even mixture. So time to show you the secret recipe I was talking about. A tablespoon of your powdered milk, your full fat evaporated milk. That's the secret recipe that you need to get that glowing skin. I'm sure most of you are surprised, right? So you just mix together. I'll be dropping in few drops of coconut oil also. Yeah. The reason I'm adding in the lemon is to give you that toning skin a little. If you know you want to tone your skin a little, but if you know you are a dark tone and you don't want to tone it a little bit, no need using this lemon. But if you want to tone your skin a little, add in your lemon. So let's press in the lemon juice. So guys, you can see, just want to mix together. Let's press in a little bit more. I think we can get more juice from this, so let's just press in. So guys, this is basically it. Our turmeric face mask is ready, and this mask is so good. It helps your skin a lot. Let's look 20 even when you are 50. Yeah, that's the goal, right? To look younger than your age. And another good thing about this mask is that you can refrigerate it in the fridge. Okay, you can put it in your fridge and you can reuse it also. So it's super good and effective. So this is basically it for today. Thanks for staying true to the end with me, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends. Tell your friends about this channel, okay? And I love you all, so bye.